radio?
Yeah. Apparently it's some cruise coming from Boston. It's full of Emerson College alumni. They took off from Long Wharf at like 8 o'clock, and apparently they're dressed as pirates. Don't be alarmed. Should be relatively harmless.
Ooh. Take it from me, because this 3-hour tour didn't go so well. Call 1-800-255-4259 to purchase your Emerson boat cruise tickets today. Don't be left stranded.
We're safe! Over here!
Welcome to the Love Boat.
Why, thank you. Excuse me. That's an entirely different cruise. This is the Emerson Alumni Boat Cruise. Go to emersonalumni.com to get your tickets today. This is the best boat cruise ever.
I'm telling you, the perks of being an Emerson alum.
Totally, it's even better than the Senior Week boat cruise by far. Oh, memories. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Oh, wait, what? You want to come on the boat? Well, come on! Woo!
I'm king of the world!
Gilligan, I'm flying!
Show off, drama queen.
It's no fun on dry land.
Arr, come shake your booty at the Alumni